happy to be a part of member in presenting this video. In this video, I am going to say about the mantras. By following these mantras, you can able to save 1 unit of electricity per day in your house. Try to follow these mantras and save electricity.
Hi guys, this is Yuvashri. I'm very glad to be a part of this energy conservation video.
Hi everyone, I'm Keertana. I'm very happy to be a part of this program.
Electrical equipments after use. We must have to switch off all the electrical equipments after we use it, but most of the people are not following it. By switching off the electrical equipments, we can save 25 to 35% of the power. So, switch off the electrical equipments after use. Now, let us see some related videos related to this mantra number 1.
We can go and do our homework. What are you going to do? I am going to draw. What are you drawing? I am drawing a birthday cake. Stand up, Tanchika. Mommy is calling to eat. No, after we finish our studies, he will come. No, come now itself. Tanchika, off the fan and light when you are coming. No, Ezra. Leave it, Ezra.
Mantra number 2. Regular cleaning of the air conditioner and use of the natural lighting. Most of the people are using air conditioner in their day-to-day life, but most of them are not cleaning. We must have to clean the air conditioner at least once in a month. By cleaning the air conditioner, we can able to save 5 to 15% of the power. So, clean the air conditioner and reduce the power consumption. Now, let us see the video how to clean the air conditioner. Use of started equipments. In every started equipments, we can able to see a label. More stars, more efficiency. What does mean by that? When we buy the started equipments, we can able to save more electricity. So, hereafter, when you are buying the electrical equipments, please buy the started equipments. Now, let us see a started label.
Mantra number 4 is use the LED study lamp instead of normal lights. Every one of us will do our homework or our office work at home. At that time, we generally use normal lights to do our work. But instead of normal lights, if we use the LED lamps, then nearly 10 watts could be saved per day. And your electricity bill will also be reduced. Mantra number 5 is regular defrosting of the refrigerator. Defrosting improves energy efficiency by using a heater which melts away the frozen ice and frost, thus allowing the cold air to flow throughout the compartment. If you are not frequently opening and closing the door, then there is no need for defrost mode, which conserves energy. Mantra number 6 is usage of heavy equipments in off-peak hours. If you are able to shift your power use to off-peak hours, such as running your motor late in the evening, then you could save money.
Avoid leaving equipment in standby mode. By doing this, you can save nearly 1 watt 1 hour. For charging your mobile phone overnight, it will be fully charged within 2 hours, and the rest of the evening it is using its energy unnecessarily. So, turn off your appliances once a usage is completed. Our next mantra is minimum optimal temperature. Buying an air conditioner is becoming quite common in India. By setting a temperature to 24 degrees Celsius, you can save your electricity. Every 1 degree increase in your AC temperature results in saving 6% of electricity consumed. Replace your maximum utilized light with solar LEDs. LEDs are low cost with high efficient, and the solar is 100% clean with zero side effects. So replace your maximum utilized light with solar LEDs and save your electricity.